So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Project The Address, which is located near Vidhate Vasti, Baner and developed by Prime Space Realty Group. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet areas, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before getting into the project details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with a lot of brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. So let's start with the project overview. The address will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with basement plus ground plus 13 floors having 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. So now if we just talk about the surrounding and connectivity of the project, तो मेरे लाइफ में आ जाता है इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के पास में आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल. तो इसमें लैंड पार्सल की कनेक्टिविटी की बात करूं तो आपको बाने रोड विद इन मिल जाता है 950 मीटर, डीमार्ट मिल जाता है 1.6 किलोमीटर, बालेवाड़ी फाटा मिल जाता है विद इन 2 किलोमीटर ओनली. So coming to the amenities part, project has 40 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, kids play area, senior citizen sitting area and stargazing deck and more. Coming to the carpet area, the address has 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. 3 BHK is starting from 1193 to 1350 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1515 to 1524 square feet. So now let's discuss about the booking process. Our project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain you the complete project details along with the 3D model, actual location, pricing and payment schemes also. And then if clients like the project, we can proceed with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of the address, which is located near Vidhate Vasti, Baner, Pune and developed by Prime Space Realty Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.